What's going on, guys? It's your average consumer, and today we've got another massive tech unboxing. This one is number 45. We're 5 away from the big 5-0. Pumped for that. You guys excited for that?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. These guys didn't do so hot the first time I asked them.
Yeah.
But we're doing great now. But you guys know the deal. Grab your snacks, grab your drinks, because we got a lot of tech to open up. Carl.
What?
Can you ask Ari what she wants to open first?
All right, so I see a box that has like Fritos, Doritos on it. That one.
All right, so we got something from, I don't know who exactly this is from, but it says Frito-Lay. Oh, I don't know who sent this, but it is not Frito-Lay.
Really?
Okay, what? Wait, hold on. Does this box really say for MKBHD?
Oh my God.
But why? Somebody using me to get some Marquez? I don't know. Okay, so this is from Twitter user Acnologia. So I understand. He was trying to get some Marquez. That's fine. It's fine, because he got a little something here for your boy. And he also has something in here for Austin, I believe. So, I mean, listen.
Austin Evans or Austin Austin?
Our boy Austin.
Oh, okay. I had to double check.
Okay, so these are apparently themed for both myself and Marquez.
Oh, cool.
I feel like I can't open Marquez, although I really want to know. But either way, let's get right to it. Let's see what he themed here. This is the Moon Gundam. Oh, look at that.
That's really nice.
I like. It's so cool that he customized this specifically for me.
And Marquez.
And Marquez. we can't forget that part. All right, so I wrote Marquez. We'll see if he hits me back about this. But huge shout out to you for sending those over. Super, super excited about having my own Moon Gundams. It's one I actually don't have. All right, next. Jay.
GNC.
This unleashed everything that we knew could be possible. Oh, of all the things,
Jay,
this has the snacks. What? All right, so there's a documentary about the new Hummer EV. Y'all go check it out. All that good stuff. Ari, there's snacks.
Pass it on over here, Carl.
All right, Carl. All right, Kevin, you want to go next?
Don't do Carl like that.
Everybody pick at the bottom now. You thought it was harder? You thought. Oh, okay. I know what this is. Listen, I got by some random person's Instagram reel. There was like this lock, and they had to put in a passcode, and you had to like tap to get into. I thought that was super dope. Yeah. Okay, so this thing does have a micro USB port. Let's see if we can just power it on just so I can show you guys what we're talking about here. Oh. Hear that? Once you hear those beep beep boops, you know it's legit. So it's got a fingerprint scanner, and it's got touch pads so that you can punch in like the numeric code to unlock the door. I think this is gonna be really cool when I'm trying to keep Ari out. I'm not gonna let her know the password.
Oh, please.
When I'm trying to
Guys, he's capping. Right? That's how they say. He's all cap. Please.
It's true. It's true. All right, Kevin, what are we going for? This?
Yeah.
All right. Dang. All right, but it looks like we've got some stuff from Nomad. So let's see, they've got some new chargers, a 30-watt USB-C charger. Oh, a MagSafe base? Oh, this has some heft to it. Okay, so you just drop your phone on here, stays right in place. Also got a base station hub in walnut. Listen, I love the base station. So this is basically a large wireless charging pad. You can charge 2 things at once, and typically there's like an add-on that you can throw on if you want to do like the Apple Watch charger. This is nice. Let's see what else we've got, because they sent over a few things. Okay, so they got the base one also in white and another 30-watt USB-C charger. All right, cool. Fast charge, all the things, MagSafe, all the things. All right, my turn. Oh, perfect. Oh no, not perfect. I don't think I have the stuff necessary for this, but I'll show you guys anyway. All right, guys, so this is from a company called Waterfield. So they make like these awesome leather cases for like portable games. This right here, check this out. This is super clean. It's got this weathered leather look to it, but this is for the PS Vita. Inside you got like the soft pouch. You got spots for your games. Now you might be wondering like, the Vita, Judd, it's 2022. I think this was a limited run and I really wanted to get my hands on it because I still rock my Vita. And this is just really, really nice. You got an extra pouch in the back. You can throw like your cables in here, your Vita here, your games. And the look is just super clean. And I also got my hands on this guy over here. This is for the Analog Pocket. So the Analog Pocket has a pretty horrible case, the one that they make. It's more so for like to be a display than it is to really travel with. And this is just an amazing option to use for it. It's got like this nice soft material in there. It's like a little fuzzy, furry material. And you got a spot, of course, for any cables that you might want to bring around with you or maybe games. This is something I've been waiting for. I had to wait for Massive Tech Unboxing to open this up and it's been killing me. You jealous?
Still waiting online.
2023, man. Listen, Sony, please. You see what the Switch is doing? Get back in the game. Okay, this is one that you got, Carl. Carl adding to the Massive Tech Unboxing. The stem player. This is the box? Kanye, right? This is just a box. I mean, did you see the site? It's pretty wild. How much was this, Carl? Wow. Okay, so this is the stem player, and this is, I guess, the USB-C cable. Literally no instructions. I think you put songs on it or something, and then you can take out different elements of the song while it plays. So
You have to download a song and put it on?
I have no idea.
Okay.
There are no instructions, Jay. Huh?
It comes with Donda on it?
Oh, does it?
So
It comes with Donda on it? So Leslie, does it come with, like, is it charged? And it's got a built-in speaker so you can hear from it. Okay.
All right, take out the vocals.
Huh?
Take out the vocals.
I'm starting to believe no such thing as
Take the vocals out.
Oh wow, yeah.
of a baby's laugh. I heard passing by the prick of a
Shut up, Andre. No, I'm just joking, I'm just joking.
little more. But do miss a show in 7 civilian life.
This is kind of
Time is
crazy.
done. You see my mama
It's
whisper
just
her
his
this.
voice. This is a weird device.
But you like it.
It's interesting, I will say. Open yours? Oh, Jay's got the fire, you guys.
Be too high.
Jay's like, yeah, just go for it. C4 case for Apple TV. Interesting. Oh, so it's a case for the Apple TV. It's even got a case for the remote.
Yeah.
That's kind of cool. You know, instead of just having that black puck sitting at your TV stand, why not do it up? Make it look like a little gaming console. I like this thinking, Jay. What else we got in here? For the air.
Yeah.
Jay's on his retro tip right now, man.
He wants that in my pocket.
Oh, this is cool. I like that. What else we got in this goodie bag? Oh, an Apple Watch charging stand. Okay.
Yeah. I actually got one that's assembled here.
You got it? Okay, let's see it. Let's see here. Okay.
That's cool.
I like that. Jay coming with the heat for number 45. Yeah. Okay. So we got a few things in here, you guys. I want to go for the big one. This is actually from Amazon. This is the Echo Show 15. It's a really big screen, and it kind of looks like a picture frame. But Amazon figures, hey, maybe you can post this up somewhere. You know, I'm a huge fan of digital photo frames, so you can pretty much use this as one. But man, 15 inches? Ari, would you want this in the kitchen?
Yeah.
Is the Echo Show 15?
Yeah,
15 inches?
I can see my recipes even better.
Well, my only thing is if you mount this, you're gonna have the cable dangling, so something to consider. Does it come with a stand? I feel like it has to come with a stand, right? Is that an optional accessory, the stand for this? That's kind of whack. All right, Echo Show 15, we'll try it out. All right, so over here we got this, we got these gaming earbuds. Now, I don't know how legit these are. I saw them on Amazon. I'm like, okay, they look kind of cool. But they say it's supposed to be able to work with gaming consoles. So I want to figure out how to make that happen. But this one, you know, it's the first pair of earbuds that I heard can actually work with them. So you can, oh, okay, Iron Man. It's kind of dope. You've got the earbuds here. Now these earbuds look super techy, and I look like I'm from the future. I look like a gamer.
It looks cool.
You didn't say that with much confidence. Let's see how this audio sounds. The audio quality isn't super crazy. I mean, it looks really cool. Audio quality, it sounds a little bit muddy. So I'm not sure if this is something I'm gonna wanna keep, but I will try and get this paired up to, like I said, those gaming consoles. If I can get it working with like my Xbox or something, play some Apex with this, that could be dope. But I don't know if I'd wanna use this for music. It looks super cool though. I mean, it looks the part. This looks awesome, but it's expensive. I think it's like $100 or something. So, but yeah, this was $130. So it's a high price tag. I'm gonna see how it works with the gaming consoles. But for now, we'll see. Looks good though. All right, so we've also got something from Zens Labs. Who puts words together that look like this? I don't know. So kind of like what we've seen with the Elgato, what is it, Stream Deck? So kind of like that. But this is more so geared towards creatives. So if you want, you can map different shortcuts to editing functions. So this is it. You've got all of your keys here to help with your editing. It's got like this OLED screen, and you can see right here, you've got all of the commands that you want to do. You've got the wheel. I don't know how this works in the video editing world, but it'll be interesting to try. And it comes with a travel case. So if you want to, you know, take this on the go with you, maybe you've gotten really used to using it, you can take this with you, maybe use it with your MacBook or something. Boom. All right, you guys, gotta let me know. Oh, this is really thin. This is just paper. So let's see, this is a Ugreen, this is a fast charger. Okay, so this has 3 USB, it's a 100-watt fast charger, 4 ports. So this can charge up like the new MacBooks and all that. So we've got 3 USB Type-C ports and a USB-A. This is a pretty compact design though for 100 watts. I use a Satechi one, and that has like the external power cable and everything. Just you plug right in and you just plug it into the USB ports. All right, so Marquez got back to me. He actually gave me the go-ahead to take a look and see, so we can show you guys. I mean, it's here.
I knew he would.
I'm not gonna mess around with his stuff too much.
I was gonna say, like, keep it nice.
So it's definitely matte black.
Wow.
And red. I definitely see the Marquez vibes from this. The matte black with the red. Okay. So we got one more here. 2 more, actually. Oh. All right, y'all, this is another Gundam. I'm not even gonna bore you guys. Just for the folks interested, I'll show you what it is, but we won't stay on this. Purple, right? Gundam Astria, it's a metal build. You know, a little something, something.
Let me build it.
It's already built, so you don't even have to worry about it. And this last one is from Spigen. So we got some cases. So these are for the Galaxy S22 Ultra, and they also sent over their fast charger, and they also sent over their wireless charger here as well. Oh, this is the other S22s, right? S22, S22 Plus. You guys know how I feel about Spigen, so. I have these linked down below, of course, but yeah, lots of options here. All right, you guys, that about wraps it up. Quite a bit of stuff, it's been a while.
Favorite thing?
Favorite thing, I'm gonna go for, I think I like the lock.
Oh, okay.
With the fingerprint scanner and the keys. Yours?
I'm gonna say that Google thing.
You mean Amazon?
Amazon.
Oh my gosh, they're competitors.
Nice.
The Echo Show 15. Carl.
The stem player.
Stem player.
Oh, that was a good one. The stem player. I enjoyed that.
Jay.
I like my retro stuff.
Everybody's picking their own stuff. Kevin.
Alright, so the charger, the 100-watt charger, how much did that cost?
That's a good question.
Because that's contingent on whether it's not expected.
That charger is $52.
Okay, but that's not bad.
That's not bad at
that's
all.
really not
For 100
bad.
watts, that's pretty good actually. Okay, so that about wraps it up, guys. Hopefully you enjoyed it. If you did, be the cool guy or girl that gives the video a thumbs up. If you made it this far into the video, bam, bam, a couple of Amazon gift cards for you. We'll catch you guys in the next one. Till then, it's your average consumer. Peace. Putting that lock on now, keeping Ari out.